Hello, Paul.
Hi there, Dee.
We're going to be having this really interesting two-part workshop course this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and we've called it Spiritual Symbolism.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, and you know what? It's going to be really, really good because symbolism is the language of spirituality. A lot of guides and a lot of way that we actually download a lot of the messages from spirit. They don't necessarily all come as a narrative of a word. They actually do come through very strong symbols. And we want to use this workshop course as a way to explore the symbols that you derive from spirit.
Mm. Yes, that's right. So it's going to be very much a personal workshop. But symbols can be different forms. They can be like just shapes or something like that, or they might be a living reality that seems to have form and vibrancy about it. But whatever they are, when you start to contemplate on these symbols, you will find that there are deeper layers and meaning to them than what they appear on the surface. And so when we can go into these symbols, whatever they are, we will find that we can contemplate and learn something about the nature of reality, or also the nature of our soul, that might give us a lot of peace and a lot of potential for us to grow further on our paths.
Yes, and I think that's the key word there, path, because symbols actually can act as markers that we actually, if we really pay attention to them, they can actually lead us into more of our spiritual unfoldment, which is always very interesting.
Mm. Yes, well, we're not going to be just dealing with symbols like you'd find on a McDonald's shop or something like that. We are interested in in sacred symbols, and those are symbols that will come to you from a spiritual source. So that's why we're going to be doing this more as a personal journey and helping you on a journey and invoking forms of symbols that you could contemplate upon to help you with your journey so you can find more meaning and purpose about your reason for living.
That's it. And symbols can come from all sorts of avenues. They can come to you in dreams, they can come to you in meditation, they can come to you when you're actually having a very intentful communication with your guide. Um, and when you do get more better at understanding what these symbols mean to you, it actually becomes part of the language that you use to communicate with spirit. And we're going to be talking a little bit about that as well, aren't we, Paul?
Yes, well, once you have determined the inner meaning of a symbol for you, it's something which can be like a mantra, or something which, as you focus on it, just in your everyday life, can help you connect with some deep essence of yourself. And it can help center you then and also give you focus and direction for whatever you're doing.
Mm. It's going to be a very interesting course. For those in the east coast of Australia who are obeying daylight savings time, it will start at 7 p.m. both on Saturday, the 6th of March, and Sunday, the 7th of March. And for our UK friends, it's going to be at 8 a.m. in the morning on those both days.
Mm.
We're really excited about it, aren't we, Paul?
Yes, I think it will be a very deep and meaningful
Mm.
workshop. There'll be a lot for you to discover about yourself. So, yes, we hope to see you there. Love to work with you.
Thank you. Bye.